How to pause your location sharing on Life360 application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to pause your location on your Life360 application, the steps are quite simple. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Life360 application. Once you land to the home page, tap on the settings or the gear icon which is on the top left corner. Once you tap on the top left corner, you will enter this page. Now tap on the third option which says location sharing. In order to pause it, you will have to toggle off the option. This will now change the color from purple to the lighter one. And this means you have successfully paused your location. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.